welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn how to make an AI film in a very easy and simple way, completely free. If you watch the video till the end, you'll understand everything clearly. This is a complete course that covers create free image, create free AI video editing, audio editing, and much more. 100% free. So, let's see how we can create AI-generated films and movies step by step. But before we begin, if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and click the bell icon. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, open ChatGPT. Then, type the following prompt. I'll give a description of the prompt below. Prompt: make a sci-fi movie story for me that includes a big dinosaur, a giant gorilla, and a large helicopter. There should be 4 characters: a boy wearing a yellow shirt, a girl wearing a pink shirt, and some other people. After this, a complete story will be generated for you. It will appear just like a film-style story. The video idea will be ready, and it will feel like something new and exciting. You can choose to make the story long or short. It's totally up to you. Next step. Then I type, give me 7 image prompts. ChatGPT will give you 7 prompts step by step. Now, just copy and paste those prompts one by one to generate the images. Step 2. Image generation. To generate images, the best website is Pika. And the best part is, it's completely free. You can create unlimited images on Pika without any cost. After opening Pika, select the image size. For YouTube videos, choose the size 16:9. This is the standard YouTube format. Now go back to the image prompts you received in step 1. Copy and paste each prompt one by one into Pika, and your images will be generated automatically. You can see everything step by step on the screen. How many prompts and images you need depends on the length of your story. For my story, I'm using 7 image prompts, but you can use 15 or 20 prompts if your story is longer. Just copy and paste each prompt one by one. Now let me tell you a little bit about Pika itself. Pika is a powerful and user-friendly tool for creating stunning visual content. It's completely free and provides high-quality design features, intuitive controls, and total creative freedom. Whether you're editing photos or designing graphics, Pika delivers professional-level results at no cost. Perfect for both beginners and experts. Unleash your creativity with Pika. Now that the images are ready. Next step is making the video. Step 3. Video generation. This step is very important. To create the video, we'll use a powerful tool called Pixverse.ai. If you want, you can buy a package for extra features. But if you prefer to use it for free, there's a simple trick. Pixverse.ai gives you 60 free credits per day, which allows you to make 3 videos daily. Here's how to get more out of it. Open Pixverse.ai in 3 or 4 different browsers, like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Opera. Log into each browser with a different Gmail account. This way, you'll get 3 free videos per Gmail account, which means you can make 9 to 12 videos per day without paying anything. Now, just watch the screen and follow the steps. I have opened Pixverse.ai in 3 different browsers. I've logged in with 3 different Gmail accounts. You can see this on the screen. Now, I will upload the images that we created in step 2. Then, I'll generate the video. Follow each step carefully and you'll see how we can create a video in just 2 minutes using this smart method. Now, watch carefully on the screen as I walk you through the process step by step. First, I click the upload button in Pixverse.ai. I select my first image and paste the prompt for the scene. Prompt: the water is flowing, birds are flying in the air, and lightning is flashing. Some natural moment. You can see the first video is now quickly created. Next, I click again to upload the second image and I paste this prompt. Prompt: the helicopter is flying and the clouds are rumbling. Once again, the video is created automatically and you can see it happening live on the screen. Now I open another browser window with pixverse.ai, and repeat the same process with a new Gmail account. I upload the third image and paste this prompt. Prompt: the girl is giving a flower to the big monkey, and the monkey is holding the flower. I click Create, and the video starts generating. Then I continue the same steps for the remaining images. Paste the prompt. Upload the image, click Create. Wait for the video to be made. Repeat this process in different browsers or tabs with different Gmail logins to create more videos in one day, completely free. Tip: always keep watching the screen to make sure the video is generating correctly. Follow each step carefully and you'll have a complete video sequence ready in minutes. Now I continue creating the next scenes of the video by following the same steps. I upload the next image. I paste this prompt. Prompt: the boy and girl are watching and Godzilla is performing. Then I click Create. And as you can see, the video starts generating. Now I move to the next scene. I upload another image. I paste this prompt. Prompt: the monkey and Godzilla are fighting each other. Again, I click Create. And in just a few moments, this exciting video scene is ready too. Just like this, I keep following the steps, one by one, to generate all the scenes of the story. You can see everything happening on the screen, clearly and step by step. Now that all the scenes have been created successfully, here's what I do next. I go to each browser, where pixverse.ai was opened. I download each video one by one. This way, I collect all my clips safely. Now my complete video scenes are ready. Congratulations! You've now finished all the video clips based on your story. Audio is extremely important. Even if your visuals are great, a weak voiceover can ruin the entire video. So to make your video powerful and engaging, we'll use OpenAI's text-to-speech (TTS) tool to create high-quality audio. Here's how to do it. Go to OpenAI text-to-speech. You'll need a free OpenAI account to access it. Choose the voice named Tom. It's one of the most natural and cinematic voices available. Perfect for film-style storytelling. Now, take the script or prompt from your video scene and paste it into the text box. Click on Create Speech. Once the speech is generated, go to the History section. From there, you can download your audio file. Now your audio is ready to be added to the video.
Strange seismic event.
Repeat this process for each scene or paragraph of your story. Now, we will open CapCut. Here, we will adjust all the videos. Remember, CapCut is an amazing video editing software. I also edit my videos here. Now, I will edit all my videos, scene by scene. The video is already HD. If you want to make a video HD, you can do it with Wink, which is also available on mobile. On PC, if you want to convert a video to HD, you can do that too. It's also available on mobile phones. If you liked the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll bring something new for you.